Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making creamy garlic chicken breast. For this recipe, we're using 2 large chicken breasts. Cut them in half, just like so, to end up with 4 pieces. Feel free to remove any excess fat. Season with kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Flip them over and season on both sides. Now, in a shallow dish, add in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, followed by 4 tablespoons of freshly grated parmesan cheese. Go ahead and give that a quick mix. Then, dredge the chicken in the flour and coat it evenly. Once evenly coated, set it aside. Now, in a skillet over medium-high heat, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by 2 tablespoons of butter. Transfer the chicken to the skillet and cook until golden brown on each side. That should be about 4 to 5 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your chicken. Once the chicken has been cooked through and no longer pink, transfer onto a plate. Now reduce the heat to medium and add in 2 more tablespoons of olive oil. Add in 1 small onion, diced, and saute until translucent. Then add in 10 to 12 cloves of garlic, minced, and saute until fragrant, about a minute or so. Now we're adding 2 cups of chicken stock. Deglaze the pan by scraping the bottom with a spoon. Simmer and let it reduce to about half, about 5 minutes. Now reduce the heat to medium-low and pour in 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add in half a cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. Bring the chicken back into the skillet and simmer until the sauce has thickened. Once the sauce has thickened and the flavors have developed, add in some freshly ground black pepper. And now, you are ready to eat. And what I love the most about this recipe is that you may serve over pasta, rice, potatoes, or anything you want. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh Italian parsley if you like. There you guys have it, creamy garlic chicken breast. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye!